यू नो बट इस फिल्म के प्रोमोस देखकर तेरे बिन लादेन की याद ताज़ा हो जाती है। मे बी दैट स्टोरीज आर वेरी डिफरेंट, दोनों फिल्मों की कहानियां बिल्कुल अलग हो, बट कहीं ना कहीं आई थिंक वो ओसामा बिन लादेन एक चैप्टर होगा, हाँ, जो उस फिल्म में भी था और जो शायद आपकी फिल्म में भी है, तो वो एक कंपैरिजन शुरू हो जाएंगे शायद।
आई फील, सी ऑनेस्टली, तेरे बिन लादेन इज अ बेंचमार्क फिल्म. It broke certain norms of cinema. I think they tried doing something totally different, right, which was very well done and very well appreciated. तो उस के periphery में भी अगर कुछ होगा तो it will look like तेरे बिन लादेन. So obviously we do have you know, the concept of terrorism. We do have the concept of a mastermind terrorist. For example, Omama. Instead of Osama, we have Omama. Yeah, Omama. And instead of Al Qaeda, we have Al Baqaeda. So we have a couple of elements which are, you know, in that surface of terrorism. तो वो शायद एक kind of common points draw हो ही जाते हैं तेरे बिन लादेन से. Yeah. So I think that is one only aspect. Otherwise, the film and the periphery and the premise of the film is totally different, which obviously people will understand when they go and watch the film.
Right. But क्या आप उस फिल्म से inspired थे? उस फिल्म की success से inspired थे कि चलिए मैं भी एक फिल्म बना सकता हूँ?
नहीं, in fact क्या था कि वो film release नहीं हुई थी, and that is when I started writing the film.
Okay.
So when that film released, it was obviously a matter of concern when my friends came up to me and they told me कि अरे यार एक ऐसी फिल्म आ रही है और उसमें भी ओसामा बिन लादेन के बारे में जिक्र किया गया है and all sorts of things. So yes, it was a matter of concern. I did not watch it till I finished my first draft.
Okay.
So I held on to watching the film till I completed my first draft, and then I said, okay, this is what my story is. I'm not going to watch it. And then I went and watched it. I loved the film, and I also loved the fact that okay, our film was way different from
that.
Yeah, film. And there were a couple of things, honestly, Taran, which were similar. Which then I had to change, obviously, because I didn't want to be in that same bracket of okay, inspiration or anything. I mean, once it's not that okay, I would not respect what he's done or something, but I feel that once audiences have seen something, there's no point in repeating the same thing at all. You can come out with something different.
You know, आमना इस फिल्म में 4 characters तो ये हैं जो लड़के हैं जो पकड़े जाते हैं एयरपोर्ट पे, and there are host of other characters in the film.
Right.
सौरभ शुक्ला, रघुवीर यादव, जाकिर हुसैन, आदित्य लाखिया, आप भी हैं. टेल मी वन थिंग, इतने सारे कैरेक्टर्स में जब आपने सुना कि बहुत सारे कैरेक्टर्स हैं, ऐसा नहीं कि 2 या 3 कैरेक्टर्स हैं, ऐसी क्या बात थी इस फिल्म में, ऐसी कहानी में कि आपने तुरंत हाँ कहा?
I think I'm playing a guest appearance. I mean, it's like I come only in the second half.
Okay.
The character that he narrated to me was so interesting. I've never done something like this. In fact, my first.
Yeah, that's a big question mark.
That's a big question mark.
Which will all understand.
Yeah, which will happen when you see the film. I've never done a character like this. It was very difficult for me. In fact, the first scene that we shot is the most important scene in the movie, which takes the story forward from second half.
Okay.
And it was very difficult for me to perform that scene. In fact, he would enact the whole scene because it is a very violent scene. Yeah. I've never done something like this before. When I heard it, I was like, okay, it's something different, which audience will get to see. And as an actor, I think it's very important for me to keep on playing different characters.
Yes.
So that's the reason I took it up.
Okay, final word. इस फिल्म के बारे में बहुत सारी बातें हमें पता चली, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बातचीत हुई हमारी. बट अगर आप दर्शकों को कहना चाहेंगे कि ये फिल्म देखें और जरूर देखें, तो उसका क्या कारण होगा? स्टार्टिंग विथ यू.
आई थिंक मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि डिफरेंट फिल्म है, इसलिए नहीं क्योंकि डिफरेंट स्क्रिप्ट है, बट it's on a different side. I think everyone has tried to put in a different sort of performance, very sincere performance. So it's a nice film. I mean, I would like to go and watch a film like this. And obviously, mera character, it's been a very challenging character. I've done something which I've never done before. So I would want audience to go and see the film to get response from them. So it's a nicely made film, and I would really want everyone to go and watch the film.
Right. Final word.
I think the only thing I would like to say is that we've really worked very hard, and at this point in time, the only thing you would want is that people should just go and watch the film, enjoy the film, because we've made it with that intention that people really enjoy the film. And I like it when people laugh at the funny points in the film. I like it when people get excited about the thrilling moments in the film. I want that to happen pan-India. I just want that to happen all over the country and people like the film. So I just hope people enjoy the trailers and they have that interest of going and watching the film. So that's about it.
राइट जितना मजा आपको ये फिल्म बनाने में और आप काम करने में आया, मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि दर्शकों को ये फिल्म उतना ही मजा आएगा ये फिल्म देखते समय। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस।
Let's hope so. Thank you so much.